Today we're going to do lesson 3 of our Form and Value Unit. So we're going to be using our same tools. You're going to need your sketchbook, you're going to get your ruler, your regular pencil, that 6B drawing pencil. You can also grab the blending stick, an eraser. Then you're also going to need your Vine charcoal, as well as a black pen and the black Crayola marker. Remember, if you don't have a black pen available to you, you can always use that colored pencil. All the other tools are already in the kit. So what we're going to do today is we're going to work on curved surfaces. Yesterday we did, or rather our previous lesson, we did the cubes, which were all flat surfaces. So this time we're going to do curved surfaces. So you can use 4 objects that are curved. I did 4 different options. You can use any one of these 4 times over, or perhaps use 2 different ones, whatever combination you want to do. So I'm doing a circle, which will become a sphere, a cone, then I'm going to do like a donut shape, and then I'm also going to have a canister. So as long as your objects are curved and you have 4 of them, I'm not worried about what the objects are. So each one of those, you're going to use the 4 different techniques that we've already learned. So we have the 2 different types of blending, and then we also have the stippling and the cross-hatching. First thing I'm going to do is grab that 6B pencil, and I'm going to start to work on that sphere and add in shading. So I'm going to imagine a light source that's in front of this sphere, and so it's going to have darker edges, and it's going to have a hot spot, or rather a bright spot, kind of to that upper right hand corner. You can decide where you want your bright spot to be, but the idea is that you're going to use the pencil shading and blending technique to make this circle feel like it's a rounded sphere, and you do that by starting with that darker edge and then letting it slowly fade to really bright spot right in the middle there. Now I'm going to do a similar thing on this cone, but this has got a little more linear element to it, even though it's curved around the surface. And so I'm going to lay in the charcoal a little bit darker on the edges and let it fade gently toward a lighter kind of space in the center there. And so you'll see I immediately kind of go to that blending stick and bring that charcoal out. Charcoal moves a lot faster than pencil, so you can use the blending stick pretty easily with the charcoal, but the blending stick is key for both pencil and charcoal. Now for the donut shape, I'm going to start to use the marker to do stippling. And so the key to this, remember, is to have patience with it. It takes a little bit long, but it does look kind of cool. Heavy dots where the light wouldn't be, and then kind of almost gone by the time you get to the lighter spots. And then I'm going to do the similar thing with cross-hatching. Now cross-hatching on circular objects, I'm going to use some of my lines to go with the curve of the object. So you can see that canister, that cylinder, that I've curved my linear lines to go with that canister. Once you've completed all 4 objects, remember they can be all the same object, they can be different objects, as long as they're curved and you've used all 4 techniques, take a picture of it, upload it to Teams, and that is your daily process for today's grade, okay? If you have any questions, let me know, and have fun with it.